wasted wheels. You don't know which way is home. When you've lost your place to be, you can feel it in your bones. When I feel the breeze through me, I don't know if I'm a ghost. So I try to sing something like I'm feeling in my bones. Is it just me or is it everybody else? Maybe they can see themselves in me.
Are you doing Sky's laundry again? First she catch her giving fellatio on her video camera, then she threatens you with a shotgun, forces you to make out with Chip, who she's now living with, by the way. I'm not sure if you're aware of that. And you're still doing her laundry.
I don't want her to go cold, Mary. Say, Mary, out of all these clothes, what does Scarlett like to wear the most?
Her vintage Chicago Bulls t-shirt and her new Victoria's Secret panties. Why?
Oh, nothing.
Okay. Are you putting computer chips in her underwear?
They're just chips, Dip. Radio frequency identification chips.
That's not right at all. Are you some kind of raging lunatic? Give me those. Ah!
Kidding me? She's half my substance. I'm sorry, but I have to go. I'll be back later. Just put some ice on it. Sorry.
If you're gonna do it, be safe and don't blow it.
Don't worry about me.
Damn it. Must be your father with the laundry. Oh, I can smell the tide from here.
Chip, don't let him make you laugh. He's only trying to get in our heads.
That's Scarlett's laundry.
Yeah, give me that shit. Thanks, slave.
Yeah, I see it still smells of bear and bollocks in here.
I see you're still packing that bird beak shape there. Sure.
Ah, what a weak pass from Brady. What does this bring your son to the center of your arm to hear or something? Oh, come on. All right, collect yourself. Good shit.
Oh, hell no. Oh, what do you think you're touching?
I thought I held myself.
Where did you find that at? No. Does this say Trevor? No.
Yeah.
Your mustache blocking the TV.
Oh, that's weird because your race is blocking world peace.
What?
Is that
Oh, hell. Come on.
Jalapeno, get
Swear to God.
Jalapeno,
Oh my God.
hotter than hot.
Jalapeno, stay. All right, no, you're out of here. No, just go. Just get out of here. Not worth it. He's a murderer.
Come here. One more thing. If you lay a finger on or inside my daughter, I swear to
No.
Okay.
Just thanks for the clothes. Okay. Just thanks for the clothes. All right. I'll be coming on later. Prick.
Oh my gosh, what a prick.
Yeah, tell me about it. You know what? I don't even want to deal with this
Yeah,
shit anymore.
don't even worry about that douche. Let's just go get ready for tonight.
I agree. All right, I'm gonna go freshen up. Hey, ready to go tear up the town?
Yeah, you have the liquor, right?
Yeah, well, you got a liquor-free sticker, right? Alright, hey, it's in the car, alright?
Whatever.
Oh, hold on. After you, my lady. Let's go tear it up.
Alright, let's see if these trackers are working. If we catch him doing something distasteful, she won't be living with him for long. Not if I or the law have anything to say. Oh, look at that. They're heading out from Chip's house. Oh, dueling dots. She must have worn the shirt and the underwear. Good call. You might have meaning in this life after all, honey.
Sure hope we can bust him, honey.
Yeah, just like your fucking nose.